How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today we have with us a pro trader who is coming over to talk about the market, also talk about a trading strategy. And I'll leave links to all this underneath the video, to Dylan specifically, to his Twitter, to a couple different places where you can get in touch with him because he does work for CoinW. He's a pro trader. His full job is just to analyze the markets and trade. And if you want to get some of his information, we give it away for free. CoinW does too. You just need to sign up with CoinW. It's an exchange where you can trade futures or trade spot as well. So you can just buy Bitcoin if you want and withdraw to your cold storage wallet if you want to do that, or you can trade on leverage. There's no KYC. There's a link underneath the video. They give you bonuses as well. They're doing trading competitions. You can win free money. And like I said, you actually get free access to pro traders. You can join a Telegram group for free when you use the link to sign up for CoinW. So all that will be underneath the video. Of course, this is not financial advice. We're going to be going through what Dylan thinks about the market and ways to make money on the upside and the downside too. So let's be objective here and let's get into the video. How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Back by popular demand, we have Dylan, who is a pro trader over at CoinW, looks at the charts every single day, all day. And I need to get some of his opinions on the market. Dylan, thanks so much for coming on.
Yeah, no worries. Thanks so much for having me. Yeah, so I want to first go over obviously what Bitcoin's doing. I am expecting a potential dump maybe within the next couple of days, so we'll go over that just now.
Perfect. Yeah, let's go into that. And don't be confused. His name might be Andrew in the bottom corner. It might show up on screen, but it's Dylan. I think a couple people mentioned it in the last video. But yeah, let's go into the charts. I know some people said last time, oh, well, Bitcoin went up to 62 after we talked, and it was like 59 or something like that. And you had mentioned maybe we fall back down to 53. But I think people, need to look a little bit broader because we still have seen lower highs. So let's get into the chart. What are you seeing right now?
Yeah, so basically, I'll show you. This is basically what I'm looking at now. But Bitcoin is still forming the lower highs, like I've been saying. You can see we couldn't break above the 63,300 level. Okay, so 63,300 was the level I was looking at. If we broke above, then I'll be like, okay, we can start looking for longs. But we couldn't break above there yesterday, and even today we came straight back down to this upward sloping trend line, and we are actually bouncing off it quite nicely. So for me, I can't really trade Bitcoin now because we're still stuck in like this channel, right? So I have to wait for price to either break below this channel, which will confirm like a potential dump to like 57, or if price breaks above this channel here, which is above the previous resistance at like 63,300, then we can look for a potential long back up to 65K, 66K. But it looks like we are bouncing from this level. So we'll see. But I'm only going to wait for the 4-hour candle to close above or below this level for Bitcoin. So that's like my current thoughts. A little bit neutral at the moment, but a little bit more on the bearish side, to be honest.
Okay.
So
if we let's say we move above it, what does this kind of mean for traders? Is that the time to go long then, I assume?
yeah, so I want to show USDT dominance. I'm just going to change it quickly, because that's a good question. So USDT dominance is still bullish, right, on the daily time frame and on the 4-hour time frame. So I'm waiting for this to break like 4.77, because that would be the low. And once this breaks this level on the daily time frame, then I'll be like, okay, I'm gonna start putting money back into crypto, into altcoins, and all of that. Because right now it's kind of just like USDT dominance is still bullish. So once USDT dominance actually breaks this uptrend, then I'll be like, okay, I'm gonna put money into alts. But in terms of Bitcoin, if I'll go back to this chart. So if price breaks above this level here at 64,600 or 63, if it breaks and closes above here, then obviously we could potentially go back up to 66K. Because on the liquidation heat map, this is also something that I look at. We have 63,600. There's over 600 million shorts that will be liquidated there. Okay, so if we can take out 63,600, then we're going to pump like really, really hard to like 66K, 65K. So obviously right now we have to wait for that. And that's in correlation with a breakout over here. So if we get a breakout over here, we'll take out all of these shorts, and then we'll see a massive pump. But Yeah.
Maybe let's go back to the USDT dominance for a second, because I think a lot of people that I know probably don't look at this. So just to be
Yeah.
clear, when it's bullish, that's actually bearish for altcoins, correct? Because it means that people are cashing, going to cash in USDT instead of putting it into alts, or maybe they're even capitulating into USDT, correct?
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean the reason why, so like these lines I've got over here, basically, I've been waiting for this level to break above here, because once we break above 5.07, we're going to see a massive dump into crypto, because that is your previous high, and we've retested it for the last 6 days. Okay, so that's, we have to wait for the daily candle to close above here, and if it closes above here tomorrow, well then I'm probably going to be shorting for the rest of the week. But if price can obviously close back below this previous low, then we will probably see a massive pump. So yeah, and it's basically just inversely proportional to crypto.
Sure. Okay, that makes sense.
Mm.
So we kind of covered where you think the market's going to go short term. So that obviously changes what you want to do as a trader. What about if you're an investor? Like, what do you think you do in this kind of time where you're not sure if we're going to break out or break down maybe to a new, like local low?
Yeah, so like for me, I'm pretty much all three, like a trader, investor, and I don't know what the other one is, maybe all two. But
Sure.
so I actually just dollar cost average every week, regardless of the price. So because I'm really bullish on crypto, and I do think that Bitcoin might go back down to like 50K, even 40K. But that for me it won't matter, because if you're looking, even if you're looking at the altcoins, like a couple altcoins, like over here, if you look at the monthly chart, a lot of coins are down, but a lot of coins are up. So what I'm doing is I'm investing in the coins that are down, right? So like TAO is like one of my favorite coins, a real world asset. I'm going to be investing a lot in this. This coin's breaking support. If it breaks, I mean, it's already broken. So I want to invest a lot in the coins that are down, not that are up. And remember our last stream, we spoke about HBAR. So HBAR is doing well, but
Yeah.
like VeChain, all of the coins are like down on the monthly and the weekly. I'm gonna invest in, like this week, I'm definitely gonna choose the top ones that are down and invest in those. Obviously, they have to have some value to me. So like for me, it's mainly just AI and real world assets. That's what I'm focusing on for the next bull run. But yeah, so I kind of just do it every week, regardless of the price.
Sure. Are you buying any of the meme coins or trading any of the meme coins after the Roaring Kitty comeback?
Yeah, that was interesting. I also, yeah, I was wondering if you did anything about that. But
Yeah.
I saw on Solana base chain, Ethereum, they actually launched the GME, and it's been pumping. Like Solana chain pumped like over like 6,000% today. So I didn't do much there, to be honest with you. But I do meme coin trading. I actually bought this coin called Jungle Doge today. So but it's more of a pre-sale thing. So but I do a little bit. I dabble a bit in that.
Okay, nice. Yeah, I was curious as a trader how you approach it when like something's up like Pepe 100% or something in the last month, or I don't know exactly what's up. Yeah,
Yeah.
109%. If you try to ride that, or if you just say, I already kind of missed the pump, I'm just gonna see where it kind of puddles out, you know?
Yeah, so for me, that's, I mean, if I miss the pump, I don't really care, to be honest with you. Because I mean, every coin has their run up. Like obviously, you can't always regret like not getting into a coin. That's the worst thing to do in crypto. So for me, it's more focusing on the coins that are down than the coins that are up. And I think that's the way that I'm going to be making more money. So obviously Pepe, I mean, if you miss Pepe, you miss Pepe. So
Yeah, like a value investor within crypto. I like it.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so we kind of talked about traders and investors. I think the third category you could be is someone that likes crypto but is sitting in cash, or maybe they still have a portfolio within crypto, but they're still sitting in some cash. So what would you do if you had, I don't know, 30% cash, your portfolio was 30% USDT, you were ready for that next leg down? Would you be like, let's say we break out to the upside, would you just be piling that back in the market because we're going to go up to all-time highs, or would you be waiting for that next dump?
yeah. So for me, like let's just say that was me at 30% in cash or in USDT. I'll probably just start piling into some of the coins that are down. Like regardless of the price right now, because I do think that there's gonna be a massive leg down within the next like month or two, because the market right now, USDT dominance looks too strong. There's a lot of factors, and then CPI tomorrow. The Powell, Jerome Powell actually spoke just now, so there's a lot of factors that play. But I think for that question, I'd probably just still dollar cost average, maybe with a lower percentage, because I still think that there is more downside. So that's something I'll just DCA, I think, regardless of the price.
And that would be whether you were a Bitcoin only investor or if you were also looking at alts, you would still dollar cost average right into Bitcoin, right? If you only bought Bitcoin and crypto. Okay.
Yeah.
The great thing about this is too, for people that are watching, if you feel like doing this, right? If you feel like trading yourself, you can follow Dylan because we do have a trading group where he gives his chart setups, he gives his thoughts on the market and his trades. But then also, if you're someone that's really busy that can't check out the market all the time, you are also a copy trader, correct, Dylan?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, like all of these setups today we posted. Like I posted the SWE, I posted the AVAX, I posted the Mavic. All of this was posted to the Telegram channel. So yeah.
Yeah. So if you sign up with the link underneath the video, you can get access to that trading group. We also have some other bonuses that are going on. It's all underneath the video, but if you sign up and deposit $100 and then do a futures trade, you get a $100 bonus as well, or 100 USDT bonus, whatever it is. So Dylan, thank you so much for coming on the channel. We're going to have you back on because I think we have a lot more to talk about here.
So yeah, I love being here. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, definitely. Is there anything that I missed? Other places that people should follow you or can get information?
Yeah, so it's just my Twitter. I'm mainly just posting. Yeah.
Okay.
I do have 2 accounts. So like this is more my YouTube account, but yeah, I think just keep it the same account. Yeah.
Okay, great. I'll get all that information and put it underneath the video as well, so everyone can go follow Dylan. And we'll leave links to CoinW into the trading group and all that underneath the video as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.